A development team is designing an AWS data pipeline to pull information from S3, execute data cleansing and validation tasks, and then save the resulting data into a relational database for analytics. Which implementation provides the highest cost efficiency for this workflow?
Okay, let's take a look at the question. The question asks, which is the best approach to provide complex validation using data brew rules and ensure processed records and report outcomes in Amazon RDS for MySQL? Option A, use AWS Glue ETL for extraction and transformation. Apply AWS Glue data quality for automated validation and store the processed records and report outcomes in Amazon RDS for MySQL. Option B, use AWS Glue Studio for extraction and AWS Glue Data Brew for transformation and validation. Store processed data in Amazon RDS for MySQL and quality reports in an S3 bucket.
Option C. Use AWS Glue ETL for extraction and transformation, followed by AWS Glue Data Brew for quality analysis. Save all output to an S3 bucket. Option D. Use AWS Glue Studio for extraction and AWS Glue Data Brew for transformation and validation. Store all outputs within an Amazon RDS from MySQL database.
When evaluating these options, consider the purpose of ETL services versus interactive data preparation tools. Think about how native integration within service suites can influence operational overhead and resource consumption in high-volume production environments.
In my view, the correct answer is option A. AWS Glue ETL is the industry-standard, cost-effective service for high-volume automated data pipelines in AWS. It provides superior scalability and cost efficiency compared to interactive tools like DataBrew when handling production-grade workloads. Furthermore, AWS Glue data quality is natively integrated into Glue jobs, allowing for seamless, automated enforcement of rules without the need for additional services or manual configuration. Amazon RDS for MySQL directly satisfies the requirement for a relational database. A professional IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. The instructor reads the question and explains the correct answer. Clear, professional, educational. Style: confident, clear, educational tone. Pace: natural conversational pace. Accent: neutral American English. Options B and D are less cost-effective because DataBrew is primarily designed for interactive, visual data preparation, often leading to higher costs in large-scale pipelines. Finally, Option C is incorrect, as it fails the requirement to store data in a relational database, opting for an S3 bucket instead.